at mediascreen API. Starting screen capture. This is one way to do it. Async function, start capture, display media options. So here, capture stream, navigator.media devices, get display media. I'm on their site now, and that's how it would look. There's a demo down the bottom, and here it is. So if you press start capture, it draws this up with a media screen API, or rather screen capture API, whatever it's called, entire screen or a window or a tab. So if it's the entire screen, you then click on that and you start there. I'm going to cancel that. I'm going to look at it on CodePen. Someone's done it on CodePen. I'm taking a look at it to explain it better. Now go to the top there. So const video document.getElement by ID video. That links it to the HTML. If you look on this side, the left side is the HTML section. Video ID video, that links to the CSS and the JavaScript because it's getting element by that ID. So it's getting the video, and then button on click, record stream. That's for the first one. This guy is put in an added functionality. If you look at the bottom, there's a button, record camera. The second one is the record screen that was shown in that demo. I'm going to cancel that. I can't actually start anything because it takes the camera and I'm recording with the camera. So the second one, record screen audio. If I drag the JavaScript box down, here's the first one, async function, capture screen. And pull down, that's it, sorry, record stream. So on click equals record stream. Now we'll go further down. All the rules he's put in, async function, record screen audio. That's the second one. I'm there, clicked on there. So async function, screen and audio. So if you were to click there, just pull down, there should be, back up, trying to find the exact rule. Record screen option, audio and video functionalities, event. It's done slightly different to their site, but he's getting the devices the same way. It's the only way. Async function, capture media devices. Okay, so I'm going to be building a free screen recorder and a website this week, and I'm going to do a series of videos. But this here, I'm just trying to really explain how you use this API. Go to the top. That's the way you initiate it, as I've shown on CodePen. It's not mine. It's not my pen. I've been browsing all week, or today rather, how to do it. But nothing on YouTube shows you how to actually save and download. So I've got to work on that. How do you actually create a download functionality, a button? Because otherwise there's no point in it. So that's what I'm going to be doing. This is the start of it, mind. And there it is. So const video, element, get element by ID, video, and then the async function, capture me, gets the API device. It's the CPS. It's just putting in buttons in where it should be, centering it, and so forth. And it's just basic stuff there. I'm going to change all that about, add it to make a sort of nice presentable website with a screen recorder. I'll be doing this series of videos on that. So that's the mediascreen API that's on